What's good everyone, it's MJO23Dan back with another video, and today's video I have my first pickup of 2018. So surprisingly enough, I made it through the month of January not copying any sneakers. Although, I want to say maybe like 2 days before I actually made a purchase on a pair of sneakers, but I finally received it today. Today is February 1st, 2018. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it's all about. Alright, so this right here, the Jordan Face Box. As you guys know, the Jordan Face Box is a retro box from Jordan brand. I say started around the year 2000 through probably like 2002-ish. And this actually completes a set of mine in the mid-series of the Air Jordan 15. So I copped this sneaker from Nostalgic Feels on Instagram. I'll go ahead and link his Instagram right here on the screen, as well as in the description below. So this right here, my friends, is the Air Jordan 15. It is the OG Flint Gray and White. Style number is 136029, color code 011. Now you guys might remember a restoration video that I did on these, and it is the same colorway, but it was from my friend's collection. And wow, these right here, I've always wanted this pair. This was one of the original colorways of the Air Jordan 15. It has yet to retro in this colorway. We've seen different colorways, different iterations of the Air Jordan 15 release in the Obsidian, but this one has never retroed. And this one released in 2000. It is the 15th sneaker of Michael Jordan, and is also one of the pairs that Tinker Hatfield I don't think was too proud of design wise, but it was also one of the most important sneakers at the time of release, because it was one of the sneakers, and if you guys have watched the Netflix series, he describes this sneaker as being one of the most important sneakers in his lifetime, because his coach and also co-founder of Nike, Bill Bowerman, had passed away. So let's go ahead and show you guys the other shoe. Now surprisingly enough, this pair does not come with the actual insert or the divider that splits the shoes in two. Let me go ahead and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, so this right here is the white and Carolina blue. You can see the divider here. It splits the two shoes, and it, you know, just neatly packs it in there. So I'm not sure if this original Flint Gray actually had that, because I've never owned the OG Flint Gray, but I also don't remember that pair being in my buddy's pair, the one that I actually restored. So it could just be the way that it came. But let's go ahead and get into the sneaker here. So this sneaker right here, white smooth leather. You have this Flint Gray basket weave on the upper, and then you got that inspiration of Mike sticking out his tongue whenever he went for a dunk, which is this right here. You got the back pull tab here, and this back piece right here is rubber, and you can see that the Jordan is just hidden right into the design right there. This shoe is actually pretty comfortable. A lot of people don't like this sneaker design wise. I felt that this sneaker was very comfortable to wear. It's very forgiving for wide footers just like myself. If you guys are ever looking for a pair for yourself in the collection, go true to size. If you do go half a size, it's going to give you a little bit more length here. Not sure how you guys like to wear your sneakers. I like to have comfort straight in, and this is what the Jordan 15 has given me. So there's really not too much to talk about here, other than the back, really, the inspiration there. You have the 23.6 and the 15. The 15 is what this is here, the Air Jordan 15. You got the 6 for the 6 rings that Michael Jordan won in his career, and you have the number 23, the number that he wore throughout his career. And so that's about it. I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys a little montage and enjoy the sneakers. So if you guys like the content, subscribe to my channel. There's a good chunk of you that watch my videos and you're not subscribed. You can also follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, and on Facebook. Truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.